Today is a big day. The god-awful carpet on the stairs is coming out today. My dream, like my life dream, has always been to own a home where you walk upstairs to go to the bedrooms. It's a dream come true to be able to have stairs that you walk up to go to your bedroom. And there's only a few things I want to change about it. Mainly, we gotta rip out the blue carpet. It doesn't look the best, and this particular carpet is very old. There's just, no matter what you do, it's never gonna be clean again. So it's just not cleanly enough to keep. Also, my cats love to rip it out. So every morning I wake up and there's just like balls of blue carpet all over the place. So that will be taken out. I have been waiting for this moment for so long. Our dog is like, what are you guys doing to our house? Again. I'm so happy because the blue carpet is out. It's so exciting to see so much progress happening. Well, demolition progress. It's a little scary too. No new stuff going in yet, but lots of old stuff coming out. And it's kind of crazy because we are living in the house while renovating it. Nick, myself, and our kid, and our dog and cats. So it's definitely a busy time. Do you want to see the destruction? Come with me. So at the top of the stairs, kids' bathroom, everything's been ripped out except what we're keeping, which is we're keeping the countertops, hopefully, as long as we can fix the chip that's in it. Sinks we're gonna keep. We're gonna bring a new mirror, new faucet, new fixtures, new shower stuff going back in there. We are gonna keep some sort of a tub with a shower because it's kids' bathroom. You need to have a bathtub and a kid's bathroom. And over here in this front room, this is a very nice sunny room. But right now, everything has just been thrown in there. Everything that's kind of been taken out of the other rooms has been thrown in here. And yes, that is a toilet in the middle of the room. Moving on into the kitchen. This used to be a desk area and it will be a desk again. It's just right there right now. We are going to put it back, but we're putting the new floors in. So Nick removed it. Really well made cabinetry. It's gonna stay, but I don't love the color. I find that it is just too dark. We're really trying to lighten and brighten up this home. But the dark blue just might not be the right color. So let me know if you can think of some better colors for this. But over here now, I want to talk about the kitchen. The kitchen has some really great features. It's very spacious, it's well-made cabinets, love the layout, and the appliances are really, really good. So all of that doesn't need to be replaced. Super happy with that. What I do want to replace is these bad boys. I'm not loving the granite. They're dated, they're ugly. I'm sorry, if you have these in your house, I'm not judging you. I just don't like it in my house. It's super dark, brown, orange. These colors are just not part of the new refreshed color palette that we're doing for this home. So it's time for them to go. I'm excited because today we get to go look at the new slabs. Also a little bit nervous because I've never seen them before. I purchased the new slabs pretty much sight unseen. I had seen just a little tiny sample, but it was really hard to actually see the detail. So I don't know what it looks like on a grand scale. But I already paid the deposit, so there's no going back. So hopefully we like it. Let's go get into the car and take a look at the new slabs. First look together. Let's go. I need to take everything out of the drawers and cupboards because some countertop removal guys will be here first thing in the morning to take the countertops away. We got the kitchen all prepped for that tonight. Another solid reno day. No, I'm not in the back of a cop car. Did you know that if you want to redo your stairs, you can go to places where you can pick out wood for each individual step to make sure that every single step is absolutely perfect? I learned this today because that's what I'm doing. Now we are heading over to another store, this time to look at some wrought iron staircase balusters to replace the builder grade ones that were on the stairs previously. Although I really like the shape of the old balusters, they were damaged and they were also not installed correctly. They were a safety hazard. So we are going to rebuild the stair railings as a custom built feature with white oak handrails and wrought iron balusters, which will be more durable and will be installed to code. Now, these things are very expensive, so although I found a style that I like here, I'm going to hold off of buying them today as I want to see if I can find a better price on this SKU online. We're on a budget here, so let's see if we can shop around.
Please authorize repair. My usefulness has come to an end.
Guess what? The new stair railings are in. Aren't they beautiful? Just kidding. What are we doing today? I don't know about you guys, but I am in the mood for some more destruction. So before we put these stairs back together, let's go and rip out the kitchen. Yay, let's go. So follow this channel and come and meet me in the next episode in the kitchen. We're gonna go rip some stuff out.